Keeping a travel journal is much more than just keeping a collection of memories. Travel can evoke all sorts of emotions, and writing a travel diary gives you the chance to process all those thoughts. And when you look back on them, as well as the memories, you'll also see how you were feeling at the time and perhaps realise how much you've grown since then. To get started, take a deep breath. There's no right or wrong way to keep a journal, so just breathe. Set aside some time each day of your next holiday to focus on writing. An easy way to get started is simply jotting down where you are and what you're doing at that very moment. Then ask yourself, how do you feel? What's on your mind? Or just write down a list of things you want to do or see that day. Keep it simple. Don't worry if the pages of your diary are messy or your handwriting is scribbly. A travel journal is about honesty, not perfection. By all means, decorate the pages as much as you like, but try not to let it distract you from getting your thoughts down on paper.